Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle, which for me is not added, I think. So anyway, we're going to click right here on this pencil icon. I'm going to swipe down, and here below, at least this point, you'll find all the toggles that aren't added to the notification tray. So you can see one of those is the hotspot toggle. I'm going to hold it. Text right here will change, at which point you can drag it above, drop it, and when you go back, you should have it on one of the pages. So once you have the toggle added, hold it in here, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now you do want to navigate into the settings, as without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what the password is set to. And this is a randomly generated password that is generated when you first set up your device. I do recommend getting rid of it, as it is abominable, and then setting up your own new password of your choice, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can confirm it to save it. There is also additional option right here which I recommend keeping on, which is turn off hotspot automatically. This will ensure that once you're done using your hotspot and you forget to turn it off, the device will turn it off for you. And hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there's no point for it to be running in the background. Now, let's find our toggle once more. Come on. Tap on it to enable it, and from now you can connect to your hotspot. And like I mentioned, once you're done using it, you can just kind of forget about it and the device will turn it off for you, but you can also turn it off yourself by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again to disable it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.